up, you fuckers? Stay out here in the big aisle. Can you? Oh, you can turn them like this too.
Oh, dude, there's so many.
Wait, who's not closing this door?
Oh, I was about to come out and then.
All right. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is the living room, kitchen. That's the smoking spot. How much rooms are there? Three.
But
This is room number 1.
somebody can take this bed right here
Bathroom.
with somebody. 2 guys can sleep here. It doesn't matter if you guys like sleep
Kella
next
and
to each
Austin
other or
together?
not, bro. If you guys like sleep on
Why are you following me?
well, what's over here? There.
What's up, vlog?
Oh, yes. Look at this banana. That's so funny, bro. I think we're going to the food mart, but I don't know what's it called again.
I think he said the store.
Yeah, he said the store. What you drinking tonight?
Water.
Ah.
Right, garlic salt, I think.
Is that oysters?
Yeah.
So basically, we didn't want to spend money on plastic bags, so we just used beer boxes for all the food.
It's called upcycling. Upcycling.
Upcycling?
How we do it here. Okay. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
We got Captain Morgan. Yeah. $400 worth of
Across
food,
from like Cromwell's
which doesn't make
shopping
sense. Should be 200.
Well, like yeah, it's like
But we got so much beer. Can you open it real quick?
Ready for this?
Yeah.
that was the time that I got.
Still wanted that.
We're gonna die today. Pineapple sausage. What else did we buy? Hell no.
On his face.
You like sausage?
Austin, you don't start with me. Hey, Austin, you said you're not gonna drink. What happened?
It stays between the boys, okay?
No, this is going on YouTube.
Fuck you.
No, I'm serious.
As long as I don't end up waking up underneath one bridge, I'm cherry, okay?
That fuck him up.
If anything, it's Kenny's responsibility because Goku told Kenny to make sure that I'm good. But then also it's my responsibility to make sure Kenny's good because Legend told me to.
I made sure to bring another battery just in case Austin and them get up tonight. So I can.
Just in case. We're getting fucked up tonight.
Not just in case. Recap. We're gonna get all fucked up tonight, so I'm gonna vlog that. I even brought a light today. So look at this looking coming over here.
What's up, vlog? Back at it again. Right now, we're gonna go
Yeah,
for a little walk.
introduce yourself, bro.
All right, what's up, gang? This is
Yeah,
me.
I'll just do it.
Hi, guys.
What the fuck? Okay, next person. Hey, introduce yourself, bro.
Talking about us.
Wait, shut up with the sunset, bro. I'm just
As you
joking.
can see here, we're in beautiful Hawaii. Cotton candy skies in the back. And listen to Yuma. Sometimes he can get whacked.
What do you mean? First beer of the day. Michelle's Ultra.
Nickel. It's either gonna be over season or under season. I can't see shit. Yes, sir.
You got the.
Alright, they didn't only use that to fucking put garlic. What an asshole that is there.
go. We got the grill going, guys. We are definitely having a blast out here. Check it out.
What's up, guys? Just a bunch of boys in the middle of the woods.
Waiting for the Coca-Cola to get cold. Alright guys, it's my bachelor party, but I think Yuma is gonna get the drunkest tonight.
What's up, you fuckers? Ozzy here. Can already tell you, it's already gonna be Kenny Boy or Kella Boy tonight. Face down.
Chad, let's be real. Let's be real, Chad. Honestly, Austin is gonna get the most rip out of everybody. No debate. That's it.
I think Yuma's gonna get the drunkest tonight.
I think Yuma or Kella's gonna get the most drunk today.
All right, I have 2 drinks: beer and Spike. Anyways, I think the most drunkest person today will be Austin, for sure, 100%.
I think Yuma's gonna get the most fucked up tonight.
Yes!
Should have done it outside. Like I said.
Alright, thank you guys for coming.
Cheers, boys.
Alright.
Cheers!
Can I have alcohol next time?
25 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Shut the fuck up.
7, 69, 69, 16. Oh,
It was already a given though that he's probably not gonna come. Just the way he's been like diet trips and stuff.
I'm in Thailand right now. Oh my god.
Do yours.
What?
Put yours upside down.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Wait, I gotta do this.
Look at this, look at this. Got everything you can possibly need.
What do you rate the fried rice?
I give it a 4.5.
4.5?
Solid
Thank you.
4.5.
Why is it 4.5, bro?
Solid 4.5 out of 5, by the way. But
Out of
you know,
5. Okay.
The only reason I'm giving it that rating is because this is freshly cooked rice. When you're making fried rice, you're supposed to use rice. Exactly.
So we all ended up drunk and knocked out, since we have to go spearfishing in the morning.
Good morning, you fuckers. 5:30 in the morning. Rise and shine. It's time to grind. Making some brekkie. All them boys is sleepy. Unreal, man.
Hey, we go wake them up.
Welcome to the life of the party.
Let's go wake them up.
Time to slam the ground, my boy.
What?
It's 5 turtles. Good morning. Somebody's up. Let's go. Somebody got them no more.
Wait, who's in here? It's Justice?
I don't know if I want to go in there.
That's a lot of fucking beer.
Dude, bro, my throw up is right there.
Dude, mine is too.
For real? Oh, you threw up?
Fucking-
Oh,
I woke up.
went to that side.
I woke up at like 4 something.
Oh. Today is gonna be a long ass day. What you thinking? What you thinking?
It's looking beautiful out here. Hopefully we get something today. See how it goes.
Like circle on the top, but like in the middle.
It's called a kawi shell.
Yeah, the kawi shell. We found some huge ones over here, bro. Nice ones, right on the rocks.
Called a kawi shell.
What's a what's a kawi shell? What's a kawi shell?
It's a shell.
What is that splashing in the water right past the waves?
Shark.
It is a shark, yeah?
Or it could be a stingray. No, that's a shark.
Now we're all ready. Got the GoPro. We're gonna enter the water. Get some cool clips. What are you gonna catch today? What you gonna catch today?
Rocks.
What you gonna catch today?
Fucking, I don't know. Some big shit.
What you gonna catch today?
Big fish.
Big fish? Oh, Brandon's just already on it. Holy shit. All right. See you guys in the water. Probably gonna go eat. Hopefully not McDonald's.
Nope.
Something
Cosmic cones.
something we can't get in Oahu.
Cosmic cones. We don't have none. In
What is
any
that?
other island.
Is that shave ice?
No. It's a food place.
Food place? What'd you get? Burger. Still waiting.
Does this mean we're YouTubers?
Huh?
Does this mean we're YouTubers?
Yeah.
Alright.
Today's fresh catch and cook. Good morning. This is the last day in Big Island. We are all packed up, cleaned the whole house, so we don't have to pay the cleaning fee. But we're gonna go back to Oahu.
Gonna go out pretty soon. We gotta check out of this place. I don't know whose sort of this is.
Breathe, breathe. Wait, did he eat yet? You gotta eat before you.
Yes!
Oh, that was pretty good actually.
God, that was a check.
Coming at ya.
Hey, he listen. Welcome. Look to Ben. Mary.
Oh well.
Nine in the fucking morning.
What the fuck?
Bye, have a great time.
我们的解放哎，这里翻身当家做主人。